Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about the Golgi apparatus, lysosomes and mitochondria. So first of all we will discuss about the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, or this is also known as Golgi body. Golgi was the name of the scientist, hence the name Golgi. So Golgi has discovered this Golgi apparatus. So it consists of a set of membrane bounded and fluid filled fluid filled sacs or vesicles, you can say. You can see here the structure. Some unorganized structures are there, and there are vesicles which is fluid filled. This is the cis or forming phase, and these are the vesicles. This tube like structure is called as cisternae, and this is the trans or maturing phase. So this Golgi apparatus is renewed every time. The structure is not fixed all the time, it is get renewed rapidly. So cisternae, it is get stacked means they occur one above the other. Their arrangement is stacked one upon to other. Yeah, you can say they are arranged like एक के ऊपर एक, one above the other and in parallel rows. And it occurs near the nucleus. So Golgi apparatus occurs near the nucleus in the animal cell. Where? In animal cell. And in plant cell it is also known as dictyosomes. Dictyosomes. So cisternae are formed at the end of the stalk, and it is called cis phase of Golgi's. That's why the name is cisternae, because it is formed at the cis phase, or this is also called as forming phase, and they are budded off as vesicle at the other phase of Golgi apparatus, and they called as trans phase. As I told you that they are constantly and rapidly renewed every time. So once this form and cis form, vesicles are formed, and after that it become mature and occur at this phase. This is called trans phase. So that's why every time it is get renewed. So that's why the name is cisternae, because it formed at the cis phase. Golgi apparatus is absent in bacteria, blue-green algae, mature sperms, RBCs of mammals and other animals. And it arises from smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum originate from rough endoplasmic reticulum. So Golgi apparatus arises from smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this arises from rough endoplasmic reticulum. So what is the function? The main function is secretory. It is involved in secretion. So the main function of the Golgi apparatus is secretory, and it acts as a weigh station or assembly area. Weigh station or assembly area for the for what? For storage, processing and packaging. So packaging is the main function. Storage, processing and packaging of cellular secretion. Whatever the secreted by other cell organelle, it is get stored, processed and packaged by the Golgi apparatus. It packages material synthesized in the cell and dispatches them either to intracellular targets. Intracellular target means such as plasma membrane and lysosomes, or plasma membrane is the intracellular target and lysosome is the extracellular target. Extracellular targets. So once these all get packaged and all the packaging material are synthesized in the cell and dispatches them either to intracellular target, that is plasma membrane, or extracellular target, that is the lysosome. It produces vacuoles and secretory vesicles, you can see here, which contain cellular secretions. It is fluid filled areas, and what it has some enzyme, proteins, pigments, etc. And Golgi apparatus is also involved in the synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosome. So this is also the main function, that it is involved in the synthesis of cell wall in case of plant cell, plasma membrane and lysosome. So this is all about the Golgi apparatus. Then next is the lysosomes. So lysosomes are simply teeny spherical sac-like structure, and it is evenly distributed in the whole cytoplasm. Each lysosome is a vesicles surrounded by single membrane and contain so many hydrolytic enzymes. Near about 40 types of hydrolytic enzymes are 40 types of hydrolytic enzymes are present in the lysosome. This is not double membrane, this is single membrane. You have to remember this single membrane structure. And how it is made up of? It is made by RER. Lysosomal enzymes are made by RER, and these enzymes are capable of digesting or breaking down of all organic materials, all the proteins, fats, carbohydrate, fat and lipid. These all can be degraded by the enzyme present in lysosome, which is get synthesized by the RER. So what is the function? As I told you that lysosomes are made up of this Golgi apparatus by the budding of condition. Budding of means some small portion are just separated from here, and it get filled with some enzymes, some, or you can say so many enzymes, and they behave as a lysosome, which is a single membrane structure. And lysosomes serve as a intracellular, what is the function? Intracellular cellular digestive system. Intracellular digestive system, or this is also called as digestive bags. They destroy any foreign material which enter the cell, such as bacteria and viruses. So in this way they protect the cell from bacterial infection. So next function is protection. They protect the cell from bacterial infection. Lysosomes also remove the worn out and poorly working cellular organelles. Worn out cells means the cell which is uh, died, or which is damaged, or which need repairing. So they digest them, all the worn out cell and poorly uh, developed cell organelles which is not working in proper situation. So what it does, it replaces these worn out cell with the new one, and in this way they remove, see here, they remove the cell debris, or you can say all the garbages or rubbish can be removed by the lysosomes, and are also known as scavengers or demolition squads or cellular housekeepers. Cellular housekeepers. Lysosomes form a kind of garbage disposal system of the cell. So whatever the garbage inside the cell is formed, it is get removed by the lysosome. Garbages in the form of worn out cells, or the cell organelle which is not working properly, it is get removed or digested by the lysosome and replaced by the new one. So during breakdown of cell structure, when the cell gets damaged, lysosome may burst and the enzymes eat up their own cell. As I told you that it is filled with enzymes, and sometimes the cell get damaged and this enzyme eat their own cell, and that's why lysosomes are also known as suicide bags. Suicide bags of a cell. So this is all about the Golgi apparatus and lysosomes.